Since you have asked me about the ticket for South Goa Lok Sabha, there is a sitting MP, Mr. Francisco Sardina. In case Mr. Sardina decides not to contest, or the party high command decides की एक new face जाय, then definitely that is the time I will step in. I will not let the party down. Now, you also asked me about what are the plans. So we are going across Goa, constituency to constituency, north and south Goa. There are in charges that have been appointed. आणि आम्ही booth level wise building up करता. We are connecting with the grassroots level workers who are the real strength of the party. Probably somewhere they were neglected or sidelined, but the new leadership which is there in the state, along with the organization, we are connecting with them, bringing them back into the party. They are the real strength. आणि फायनली अबाउट द इश्यूज जे म्हळ्यार आयज गोंया आमचें रिणान बुडलेलें आसा. द ऑफिशियल फिगर्स वीच हॅव जस्ट कम आउट लास्ट वीक इज आमचें डेट रीण पळय आसा आमचेर, लोन पळय सरकारान काडलेलो आसा हें चलोवपाक सगळें इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट आनी चोरयांचें, इट हॅज टच 31,000 crore फॉर नो फॉल्ट ऑफ अस. These ministers, this government is eating away the money. रीण तशें रीण काडीत आसा RBI कडचें, आमचें बोंड विकून काडलें म्हणचें एक्सप्लेन तर करूंक वेसत. आयज सामान्य गोंयकार, एक सिंपल गोवन और एक पळय जल्मान येता भुरगें, ताजे तकलेर 3 लाख रीण घेवन तें बाबडें ह्या संवसारान येता. ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द मिसमॅनेजमेंट अँड करप्शन ऑफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट, which is only building up their strength, their financial strength, their personal wealth, and आमच्या भुरग्यांचें कांय चिंतना. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, इन्फ्लेशन, क्रायम, रेप्स, मर्डर, ड्रग्स. दीस गव्हर्मेंट आमकां बुडयतलो.